Hi, beloved Arnab Goswami. I have the character of Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Walpal, Mangal Pandey, Jhansi Ki Rani. And you have similar creed and philosophy in your life. We all love our motherland and we all love our 130 crores of the people of India. And we want that India should grow, and it is only possible once people are very honest and sincere. They follow the path, as you have several times told, Niyama, Yama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhana, Samadhi, and make their body strong by Asana and Pranama. That is Patanjali Yoga Sutra. And you have declared yourself that you are really a nationalist. Yes, everyone, every patriotic Indian should be nationalist. And the majority of the Indians are not that. They are corrupt, they are selfish, they are greedy, and they don't know the real philosophy of life. So they are doing a lot of sinful acts. And you are such a brave heart. You have courage, conviction, determination, passion, and willpower to really discover all their evil doings and bring to light. They hate you, they are jealous of you, and they are just inimical to you. But now I want to tell you some of the things we have discussed in our past discussions. There are few great philosophers and thinkers who taught us the ultimate goal of life is to be successful, to be happy, to be peaceful. Let me remind you what Max Ehrmann said. You are always telling the truth, but you speak your truth politely and firmly and listen to others. Even to the dull and ignorant, they too have their stories. Tell your truth politely and firmly, calmly, and listen to others also. Because truth is very pinching, penetrating. As you are digging all their evils, all their nefarious and crooked activities, they all challenge you and they destroy everything in your life. Your thousands of the employees are being harassed day and night. They have made thousands FIR. You have been called several times. There were some hundreds and hundreds of FIR against you. They intend you, Sonia, Uddhav and all their teams, Dawood Ibrahim, the Bollywood gang, they are all inimical to you. So what I tell you, you dig the grave, bring the truth, and let it be judiciously decided by the judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court, and even the government of here, Narendra Modi, he is also an honest man. We are similar breed. I'm Virendra, he is Narendra, and you are Arnab. We are all similar. There is one point. Tell your truth, politely and firmly, and listen to others, and learn from Buddha. We should love everyone, we should respect everyone. And when you tell the truth, there is a hatred and jealousy. That is not the way of life. Why we should hate? Let them learn that they are doing wrong, and they should make U-turn from negative mental attitude to the positive mental attitude. And also learn from Max Ehrmann what he said. Without surrendering, be on good terms with everyone. We have not to surrender, but we have to be on good terms with everyone. That's very, very important. And that you can learn also from our hero Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was one of the greatest and the bravest son of India. Har nahi manunga. You always tell. That's true. But he was loved by even the oppositions because he was telling the truth, but he never hated anyone. He never hated. He appreciated even Indira Gandhi. He appreciated everyone. And that is confirmed by the wonderful thought of Ralph Waldo Emerson. Appreciate everyone. Find the best in everyone. Okay? And earn the appreciation of even the honest critic. Win the respect of the intelligent people. That's very important. Win the respect of the intelligent people. We love you. The whole world loves you, Arnab Goswami. But you don't have peace of mind. You have thousands and thousands of enemies because they are corrupt. They are dead people. They don't have soul. Why to touch them? You surface the truth and send it to the government of India, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and highlight it to the Supreme Court and to the High Court. We have not to pass the judgment, and we have to be very polite when we deal with their name, like Uddhav Thackeray, Parambir Singh, the commissioner. Parambir Singh is nothing, man. He is a puppet in the hands of Uddhav Thackeray. Who is bloody Parambir Singh? He is nothing. What Uddhav says he is doing. So you should not touch the leaves of the tree but the root. Root is Uddhav Thackeray. And NCP leader Sharad Pawar. And Sonia Gandhi, the Pappu, the baby Pingyon. Beloved friends, these are few words I want to share with you. You have to live your life in your family happily and peacefully. And the most loyal journalists you have got, thousands in number, they are being harassed day by day. I love you, Zarnab. I tell you, you can be like Subhash Chandra Bose. You cannot become like Narendra Modi. He is very tolerant, patient man. India does not need a patient man. India does not need election. We need to serve the Mother India and its people, 130 crores citizens, sisters and brothers. They need the best government. They need food, shelter, clothes, happiness, joy, peace of mind. For this, we need Ram Rajya. And not Ram Raj like Ram Rajya. We have to be like Bharat. We have to worship our motherland and its people. Sit on the ground, as Bharat did to the Kharao, what you say, the footwear of Rama. We have to be very strong, we have to be very firm. We have not to be timid. No election. Not this foolish freedom of expression, Mahua Murthy. See what's he talking? Abdullah, Rahul, Uddhav. They should be understanding, behave yourself, or be but we don't have that power, man. Had I been Narendra Modi, this Virendra Yogi, Fakir, serious under me, what for I have this? What for I have these defense forces? Just to challenge China and Pakistan? First you challenge the evils in your own land. Constitution is there, but Constitution is only valid once the democratic citizens of the country are wise. Once they are criminal, terrorist, culprit, serious, there has to be judgment. But you don't pass judgment, man. Love your sisters and brothers and everyone, and mothers who are really working with you. Bottom line, be polite and firm and tell the truth. Try to have maintained good relations with everyone. Appreciate beauty, find the best in everyone. Behave like Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Even your enemies should have respect for you. Don't hurt anybody's sentiments. Love begets love, hate generates hate. Best of luck to Arnab Goswami. Thank you very much.